If Excel had a search engine, XLOOKUP would be it. Give us something to find, and it brings back exactly the information you need. Before we build it, let's take a quick look at the finished product finder. On the right, I can select a product ID from the drop-down, and XLOOKUP instantly returns the product name, category, price, and stock quantity. And as a bonus, we'll reverse the lookup. When I enter a product name, such as external SSD, XLOOKUP looks to the left and returns its product ID. The Excel workbook used in this tutorial is available for download. You'll find the link in the description. Let's get started. XLOOKUP has 3 required arguments and several optional ones. The lookup value is what we want to find. The lookup array is where Excel searches for it. The return array contains the result we want Excel to return. We'll also use the optional if not found argument to display a custom message instead of an error when there is no match. Let's begin by returning the product name. In cell H3, type equals XLOOKUP and open a parenthesis. The first argument is the lookup value. I'll select H2 because this contains the product ID we want to find. Next is the lookup array. I'll select the product ID column because this is where Excel should search for a matching ID. The third argument is the return array. Since we want to return the product name, I'll select the product name column. Finally, for the optional if not found argument, I'll enter product not found in quotation marks. This is what Excel will display if the product ID doesn't exist. Now I'll close the parentheses and press enter. I'll copy the product name formula and paste it into H4. Then I'll change the return column from product name to category and press enter. Next, I'll paste the formula into H5 and change the return column to price. Finally, I'll paste it into H6 and change the return column to stock. Now let's look at another advantage of XLOOKUP. This time I'll enter a product name and ask Excel to return its product ID. The product ID column is located to the left of the product name column. Unlike VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP can look to the left, so it can return a value from either side of the lookup column. Notice that XLOOKUP is not case sensitive. Whether I type the product name using lowercase or uppercase letters, it still finds the correct match and returns the product ID. However, XLOOKUP requires the complete product name for an exact match. If I enter a name that doesn't appear in our product table, it returns our custom product not found message. To make the product finder easier to use and prevent typing errors, let's also create a drop-down list for the product ID. Select the product ID input cell. Go to the Data tab and choose Data Validation. Under Allow, select List. Then, in the source box, select the product ID cells from our product table and click OK. Now we can choose any product ID from the drop-down, and the product name, category, price, and stock quantity update automatically. And that's it. We created a product finder that returns multiple product details, display a custom message when no match is found, looks to the left, and uses a drop-down list to prevent typing errors. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.